How to Play the Blues, Part 2. In my first guitar instruction video of how to play the blues, I showed you all how to play this little riff where you just, you're playing the fifth and fourth strings. The fifth string is open and your first finger is on the fourth fret, second string. That's actually the second fret, fourth string. Okay, the second fret, fourth string. And you're just with down strums, you were doing this, okay? This little progression. Your first finger, followed by your third finger on the fourth string, fourth fret. Now you're going to keep your third finger down, okay? And with your fourth finger, go to the fifth fret, fourth string, and give it two strums, two down strums. Open, third finger down, fourth finger down, back to the third finger. So once again, you're strumming the fifth and fourth strings. Your first finger is on the fourth string, second fret. Two strums, keep that first finger down. Then put your third finger on the fourth fret, fourth string, followed by two down strums. Keep that third finger down, and then put your fourth finger on the fourth string, fifth fret. The whole time you're strumming the fifth and fourth strings. So that pattern's going to stay in the whole song. Now, that's A. Now you're going to go to the D, where your first finger is going to go on the third string, second fret. Now you strum just the fourth and third strings. Down, down, third finger, fourth finger. Down, 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 down. Back to the A. Finally, you're strumming the sixth and fifth strings. Okay? Always your first finger is going to be on the second fret, your third finger is going to be on the fourth fret, and then your fifth finger is going to be on the fifth fret of each one of those strings. Okay? My first finger is on this fifth string, second fret, third finger is on the fifth string, fourth fret. And then you put your fourth finger on the fifth string, fifth fret. So you're just adding to this initial blues progression. Just by adding your fourth finger. Okay. And what else you could do? If any of you are familiar with one of my previous videos of how to play a blues scale with the extension, you could add that. Okay? Which is just part of this blues scale. Okay. In A, you could use your third finger on the seventh fret, fifth string. Change strings to the fourth string with your first finger on the fifth fret, followed by your third finger on the seventh fret. fifth string, fourth string, first and third fingers, fifth and seventh fret. Okay? Followed by, you're on the fifth string with your first finger on the fifth fret. And then instead of using the third finger, you're going to use your second finger on the third string, seventh fret. So take it from the beginning. We're on the fifth string, seventh fret with your third finger. Chain strings 1, 3. Chain strings 1, 2. Slide up to the ninth fret. Slide from the seventh to the ninth fret with your second finger. Eighth fret, second string with your first finger. Third finger, second string, 10th fret. And stop on the first string, 8th fret. You can add that as well. All right. A lot of my videos are for beginners. I don't want to give you guys too much, but if you have any questions about anything, you need some more challenges, please ask. And I hope you're enjoying this, and please like and subscribe. Good luck. Have fun.